Hey, what is going on, my friends, and welcome back to another video on the channel. Well, as you can tell from the title, today we are going to be talking about GAXY Next Generation, ticker symbol GAXY. GAXY Next Generation is a company that has become very popular in the OTC market over the last couple weeks. I introduced them to the channel over a month ago, and since then the stock price has grown from my very first video all the way up somewhere. Let's see, we're right on here. The stock price has grown about 32% since I did introduce this company to the channel. It's up about 27.7% today, as it has seen loads of stagnant and sideways trading over the last couple of days. Now, it is very exciting just looking at the charts here to see it break this point of resistance at 0.03 and start to maybe work its way up to this next point at somewhere around 0.05. It will be interesting to see if it can reach that 5 penny mark, as that would be very big for the company and hopefully could be the beginning of a complete turnaround. Now, if you do want to stay as up to date as possible whenever it does come to this stock and all of your favorite stocks, I have a community of over 150 different investors through the Discord that's associated with the Patreon. This Patreon allows you access to all of my trades, my trade portfolio, early access to the subjects in which I'll be talking about in these videos, and everything like that. I'm fully transparent with all of the Patreon members, and we are working down on many of these different tiers. We only have one spot left on bronze early. We're down 21 tiers on bronze, down 34 spots on silver, so definitely head down to the link in the description if you are interested in this, as I do believe that this could be a fantastic opportunity for anyone involved. Now, if you are starting your own journey, if you're looking to reach out to another brokerage and expand out, I would definitely recommend using the referral link in my description. It'll get you a sign-up code to Webull. Whenever you sign up and deposit $100, you can win 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. Who doesn't love some free money? Who doesn't love some free stocks? And this is a fantastic brokerage to use going into the future, as they are making a whole bunch of different changes, adding crypto, adding a whole bunch more user-friendly options. Absolutely amazing brokerage. But with that being said, let's go ahead and let's take a look at what basically set everything off today, as we have seen GAXY Next Generation climb over 25% in the single day. Well, as we can see here, it says that GAXY Next Generation to announce their second quarter fiscal year 2021 earnings results conference call on Tuesday, February 16th of 2021. Now, this is going to be again on Tuesday. It's going to take place at 4:30 p.m. Eastern, so this will be after market close, and you can go ahead and dial in if you do want to take a listen to that. Well, why exactly are people so excited about this, and why has it caused such a massive drive in the stock price over the last few hours? Well, I have my reasonings, and I think that a lot of people will agree that this is likely going to be the best financials report and the best earnings report that we have gotten from this company to date. As we have seen over the last couple ones, that their earnings have not been all that good. I mean, their financials have not been that good in the last couple reports, and there was definitely work needed to be done. But what we have noticed, if we go ahead and we look, like from 2021, the revenues were increasing, but the issue is they were having loads of expense issues that were causing huge losses in their overall income. Well, one thing that we have noticed over the last few weeks and few months is that they have made a complete turnaround whenever it comes to all of their products, their overall vision, their work rate. It has been absolutely phenomenal. They have been working diligently day in and day out to better their financials, to increase their overall production and make themselves a better company. Now, one thing we did get from their shareholder update is significant, because it's just a reflection, and it's just a symbol of what exactly they have done to increase their financials and make themselves better. Well, it says here that one of the most significant milestones has been the successful completion of their first purchase order ever from an OEM partner. Prior to developing and manufacturing audio equipment for other companies, we were only developing for their own G2 brand. This opportunity to manufacture products for others is a major step in accelerating their revenue growth, as they will not be solely dependent on their channel size and consumer base, but for these particular products. A successful OEM channel takes potential competitors and turns them into GAXY customers. So that means that they have been able to not only increase their own product line and increase their own sales, but they have been able to branch out to other OEM partners in which they can then manufacture for, that will further increase their revenue, further increase their profit, and further increase their potential, which is huge for this company. And this has all been taking place within this quarter. Now, I don't believe that some of these things that we will take a look at in a second here will be reported on this one, but it is important to note that we have seen so many different developments and so many different agreements coming around, that this will maybe the first hint and the first glimpse of how much better their financials will be in this earnings report that we will be getting in a few days. So I am very excited about it. I mean, if we just go back to their press releases and we take a look, like, they have had a ridiculous amount of news since the beginning of December. I mean, it launched a new product here, the Adjust Mount, which has done fantastic. They've received huge orders for their Cove Shields. They've been partnering up with different places. They've been increasing their visibility to the reseller market through getting, a new consultancy. It's just been fantastic, and they've really been taking off. They've really caught their stride, and I really do believe that this is going to be great. So whenever it comes to the overall reason as to why we have seen their stock climb so dang on much today. I think it's that the majority of investors and many people were looking forward to the day that they were going to be announcing this, because everyone has pretty much expected that this will likely be the best earnings report that we have gotten from them to date. I'm super excited. Again, I do believe that this company has long-term potential. I'm in this company for the long run. A lot of my members in the Patreon know that I don't take profits. I don't take anything out of this company. I'm holding this thing for the long run because I do believe that they could be fantastic. Definitely let me know your thoughts on this going into the future. I did just want to update you all on why I think it was growing so much, as this was just a simple report saying that they were going to be releasing earnings, but it does go a little bit further than that, as again, we have seen them making some fantastic strides. With that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy today's shorter video on Galaxy Next Generation, and if you did, you can let me know by smashing that like button and subscribing to the channel if you are new. I post on this channel 2 to 3 to 4 times every single day, and I cannot wait to see you all next time. Peace.